we do f prime of -4. And what was our slope?
4.
Now, on these problems, we use what's called the point slope form.
Isn't that y minus 7?
Yep. And the reason why we do this is because on the AP free response questions, they accept this as an answer. And it requires very little extra work. You're not going to mess up by adding the wrong thing because there's really no addition or anything. So that's why we use this. Now, in the multiple choice questions, they usually simplify it. But on the free response, I say leave it alone.
Just make up their mind.
Just leave it alone so that they won't count off, just in case you add or subtract wrong. So the form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1.
Last time I used this one, I was in 8th grade. I think
Well, it was important in 8th grade. And I used it a bunch last year.
I think I used it in.
Yeah, we used it last year because I knew where we were going with it.
We did.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so to help you know, here's x1 and y1, because that's your pot.
Mm-hmm.
And your slope of tangent C, 4, that's your m. So it is just y minus 1 equals 4 times x minus -4, so plus 4. And you leave it alone.
Oh, we don't plug in for x?
No, because your equation y equals mx plus b has an x and a y in it.
I was going to say, what's the difference between y and y1?
Oh, yeah, x1 and y1 just mean a specific point. Some point out there. So let's do the equation for the tangent line at x equals -2. So what's our pot?
5.
5. So f of -2 is 5. And our slot?
0.
Yeah. F prime of -2 is 0 because that was the slope of that line. So the equation of our tangent line is y minus, which one? 5, yes. Equals m, 0, times x minus,
-2.
yep, so plus 2. Leave it alone.
I forgot it's negative. I just put 2.
I mean, you can simplify it if you want to, but why? If you mess up in your simplification, they have to take a point off. If you leave it like that, you get full credit.
So we simplify it for multiple choice, leave it alone for...
Well, for multiple choice, just look. If your answer's not there for multiple choice, then you just have to make it look like your answer on multiple choice. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Chances are your answers on multiple choice is probably going to be y equals 5.
Yeah.
But if you looked up there and saw that answer, pick that. That's right then. It's just probably they're not going to put it in that order. But on free response questions, less is more. The less you can do with simplifying, the less likely it is that you make a mistake. Just a simple, and they have to take off for, little simple mistakes.
Actually having the right answer but did it wrong.
Well, just like if you, for some reason, multiplied through by 0 here but still got 2, which I could see that happening. That's easy to do. We've all done that. Up there, I was using that +4 and it was really, or -4 and it was really a +4. I think, now it was negative. The answer was 4. Got it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, you do the last one.
I already did it.
Look at you. Write down the pot and slot and then write the equations.
While they do that, I'm going to write the dress up there from your board.
Oh, okay, great. Thank you.
My pleasure.
predicting to say once you start saying it.
Do you want to write it over, or are you going to write it over there?
Yeah, I was just to see what the marker was dead.
Yeah, do it. You can do it on the far side.
Oh crap! I didn't mean to do that.
This is as tall as I can get.
That's fine. It's probably taller than I can get. How tall are you?
4'11 3/4.
Ooh,
I'm shrinking.
that's okay.
No, it's not.
That's not okay.
I was already 5'2".
Oh crap!
Now I'm only 5. It said 5 foot, but I had to take my shoes off, so I don't think.
I don't know. When I went to the doctor, they really didn't tell me. They were like, "Okay, we're measuring. Okay, now we're leaving." It's fun.
No, I asked. Okay, so pot. What'd you get for pot, Steven?
4.
Yeah. F of -1 equals 4. You've got to have the X in the Y. And then side, Lilies. Yep, F prime of -1 is -2. So your equation, Brooklyn?
4 minus 4 equals -2 times x plus 1.
Yep. Questions? All right, moving on.
I did it right.
When you hear derivative, you should think slope of the tangent line. And when you think, because we just think this, slope of the tangent line, you should think derivative. Those two terms should become interchangeable. So, now that we understand derivative function is graphically, let's practice using this to find out what it looks like non-graphically, analytically.
What is that?
So we would do the limit as h approaches 0, and we're using our definition for derivative. So it's 2/3 times x plus h plus 3 minus 2/3 x plus 3 all over h. We're going to get good at this.
We use the same formula each time.
Yeah, it's always the same formula.
For the slope.
The derivative, which is the slope of the tangent line. Yes, they are interchangeable. Okay, so distributing, that gives me limit as h approaches 0 of 2/3 x plus 2/3 h plus 3 minus 2/3 x minus 3.
Oh, we get rid of 2/3 x.
Yeah, stuff cancels. And the 3's.
I'm proud of how this work looks. Let's see.
It looks beautiful.
Just
Are you
one.
doing the announcements again?
I don't know. I don't care.
You're doing good.
So you get better at it.
So the h's cancel. And it doesn't matter if you plug in 0 or not, it's just 2/3 because there's no x left. So I should write f prime of x equals 2/3. I'll scoot that down a little bit for you so you can write it down, Ashley. So the slope of the tangent line is 2/3.
I've just been going down there because they told me that me and Katie were splitting this stuff, so that's why I've been going down there.
Oh, okay.
But I don't know.
Well, feel free to start on the next one. It's going to be a little bit more.
The doozy.
Not a doozy.
Hmm.
So 1/2 times x plus h. Okay, maybe a doozy.
Yeah, as soon as you get to that square.
Minus 2 times x plus h. Are you done writing this stuff down on the left, Ashley?
That is
Almost.
a lot.
Plus 3 minus, running out of room,
Same.
Oh, it's not your fault. No, it doesn't matter if I move or not. I'm just saying I'm running out of room.
Okay, I'm done now.
No, it wasn't you. Sorry.
Wait, can we just do like 1/2 x squared plus 1/2 h squared? Or do we have to do different things? I'm talking about at the beginning.
No, you cannot distribute before you square it.
Dang.
You don't want to square those fractions anyways.
What does the bottom say?
H.
H.
No, like on the side.
1/2 x squared minus 2x plus 3.
F prime x equals 2/3.
Cool.
Does that help? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to do x plus h squared.
Ooh.
So the limit as h approaches 0 of
If
1/2.
you didn't write limit,
What?
so if you didn't write the word limit.
I know, but technically we are doing
Oh, yeah.
the limit. X squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 2x minus 2h plus 3 minus 1/2 x squared plus 2x. Ooh, minus 3. I made it.
Oh, I didn't.
Sorry, it's just because I made my screen bigger. So when I shrink that down, it's gonna look like I wrote like really
Wait,
little.
would that be like
3
1, 2
cancel.
Like,
2 x's cancel.
Okay, would it be like what?
okay, when you distribute the 1/2,
Yes.
that 2,
Yeah.
that'd be like 1.
One xh or just xh?
I got a question.
Yes.
Can that 1/2 and the other 1/2 kill each other?
Yeah.
Once you distribute it, yes. The 1/2 x squared can kill
Okay.
each other. Okay. So we've got the limit